everyone, I'm here with an unboxing video today. It is an eBay package that I'm actually really excited for, and it's kind of doll related, not really. It's more for me than it is for the doll, so let's get opening it. I'm just honestly going to tear the tape off because it's quicker than getting out for some scissors or my keys. I hope. Oh my goodness. Yep, here we go. All done. Okay. Oh my god. Yes! Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for this. It's the Hallmark charm bracelet. And it has all of the characters on it. Oh wow, she packaged this up really nice. It has all of the characters on it. I'm really hoping this fits me, especially because I have such small wrists. But look it! Oh my goodness, it's in such amazing condition, and my baby Molly's on it. I love bracelets, and I've been really wanting one of these bracelets for a really long time, but I've only ever seen them come with, like, Josefina or Kaya, and I wanted Molly as a starter charm instead. But even better, all of the old original historicals. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is amazing. I love bracelets. I love jewelry. I used to wear like at least 10 bracelets on my wrist at a time when I was younger. So I can't wait to be wearing this on me later. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. So yeah, bye everyone!